We have the following data, showing client, city, and sales, and we want to filter our client's name within this city for Lagos that is greater than 60,000 and for Kano that is lesser than 30,000. So, what are we going to do? We're going to use our advanced filter shortcut Alt-AQ. This brings up our advanced filter option. I will click copy to, then we're going to select our criteria range. I'll just select this here. Press this. And for our copy to, we'll select client. Press OK. So this is the result. The result is Chitty. If we look at Chitty in our data, Chitty is within Lagos and he make a sales of 66,905, which is greater than 60,000. We are looking at here that why we have that as the output in the client cell. So when we look at Kano, this is Kano. Kano is not less than 30,000. Kano is 32,296, which is not valid for this. That's why we don't have any client from Kano in that range. So let's change Kano to be 28,500. And retry our filter. Simply press Alt-AQ, click copy to, this our criteria range is still the same. I'll just click this copy to select it. Then I'll press this and press OK. You can see that the output this time includes Amina because of the update for Kano. The criteria we are searching here is less than 30,000, and which is true for Amina. So her sales is 28,500, so that's why it returned Amina. So if we have other list of cities and sales, it will return as much as is within that range and the name of the client. So that's how to use advanced filter without formula. Thank you.